Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Jaclyn Cosmetics lipsticks. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts on it, keep watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's get into it. I just want to preface this by saying that I am not going to be making opinions or addressing the drama around this launch simply because I am no one to judge if she's telling the truth or not telling the truth, or if they're contaminated or not, or literally any of the other things that are going around about this product. I don't know. Only Jaclyn knows. So whatever she says and whatever you believe is your own thing, but I am not here to judge her or try and like weed through the controversy. So all I did was I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted me to review them when they launched. I literally pulled over because I was driving somewhere when they launched to purchase them. I ended up getting the Nude Mood Trio because this is the one that I thought would be the best for my skin tone. And then they arrived last Thursday night. I was packing to go out of town on Friday morning, so I didn't have time to like play with them or anything like that. And then all weekend long while I was gone, all the controversy broke out. So that being said, I got home. I asked you guys if you still wanted me to review them. A lot of you said yes, a lot of you said no. A lot of you said don't put them on your skin because you don't know what's in them or if they are contaminated. And then Jaclyn did come out with a video explaining everything. So that's kind of where we're at right now. Everything is sold out on the site right now. They are restocking, so that is that. I just want to jump into the actual lipsticks. I spent $50 of my own money on these, so I bought them to review them for you guys, so that is what we're gonna do. This is the trio that I picked up. It is the Nude Mood Trio. This is the outer carton, and then right here it has the, let's make that right side up, the shade names, the back, and then when you open it up, all of the colors are in there. So this trio comes with Nude Af, Amazeballs, and Obsessed. And I am going to pull up the website just so that I can read it to you. It does retail for $49 and the lipsticks individually retail for $18. So it says, get in the nude mood with this trio of super rich shades. These are Jaclyn's faves for her signature nude look. Each pout perfecting lipstick is filled with buttery goodness, so every swipe leaves your lips feeling like $1,000,000. Trio includes Nude Af, which is a cream nude, Amazeballs, which is a buff nude, and Obsessed, which is a blushing peach. They are vegan, cruelty-free, and made in the US. So also I should note that on the website it's either $45 or $46. If you spend that much you get free shipping, so if you get a trio you do get free shipping. So these are the inside outer packaging. So it has the shade and then just that same white and silver look to it. All of them do have that kind of that like quilted look. So I'm just gonna go from lightest to darkest. So the first one is Nude Af. And actually, let me just show you guys the actual packaging as well so that you can see that. So they do have that little diamond on the top. They have the shade name on the bottom, and then they all do have that JH. This is Nude Af. This is what it looks like. I'm actually just going to swatch all of them for you guys so that you can see them side by side. Okay, so this is Nude Af, this is Amazeballs, and this is Obsessed. If you watched Jaclyn's video when she was announcing these, she was saying that she uses Nude Af as just like in the middle of her lips to kind of add a little bit more of a pouty look. I am going to swatch it all over my lips though, just so that you guys can see what it looks like on my skin tone. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Obviously, this is so nude. I would never wear this on its own. This is like whiting out my lips. I feel like I am in 1994 right now. This one, I do think that I had to put on quite a few swipes to kind of like cancel out the color of my actual lips. It wasn't just completely opaque in one swipe like some lipsticks that I have used are. They do feel creamy. I don't know if it's this color or not, but I do feel like it kind of accentuates the dryness of my lips, and my lips aren't dry. I actually exfoliated them and moisturized them. I had a lip mask on last night, so they are nice and moisturized, but I still feel like they look a little bit dry with this on. Next up is Amazeballs, so I'm just going to put this one on. So I actually feel the same way about this one that I feel about Nude AF. It is just too nude. It feels like I don't have lips on at all, and this is not a color that I would go for, which when I first was looking at the website and decided to buy the Nude Mood Trio, I was definitely thinking that this was going to be my perfect nude color because I generally like a lighter nude. And then the last one to try on is Obsessed. This one is a nude that I would wear. This is like the perfect nude for me. So I do just want to show you guys what it looks like with the Nude AF just in the middle, like what Jaclyn said that she was using this shade for. So doing that just gives you a slightly poutier look. To be honest with you, I probably wouldn't go through the work of using that one as well. I think I would just go in with Obsessed on its own, but I think that it looks fine with the Nude AF on it as well. I was very surprised that the darkest shade in the Nude Mood Trio was the one that I liked the most. I actually wish that I had the next one deeper just so that I could see what that one looked like. It is so hard to choose what nude color you think would look best on you from a website without being able to swatch it and try it on yourself. I will also say that I think that all of these colors, this Obsessed is the one that does it the least, but I think that Amazeballs and Nude AF definitely pulled cool on me, and I have very, very neutral undertones. So I think that they were a little bit nude or a little bit cool on me, which I'm just gonna swatch them again so that you guys can see the swatches, because I feel like even on my hand, you can kind of see how cool toned they look on me, which is just something to keep in mind. I personally don't like how cool toned lipsticks look on my skin. So that's just something to keep in mind. I think that they look really good on a lot of other people, just not on me. So if you know that about yourself and you have the same undertones that I have, that could just be something to keep in mind. So I think these two, the Nude AF and the Amazeballs, definitely look really cool toned. Like the Nude AF almost pulls gray, and then this one is the Obsessed, which is what I have on my lips right now. My overall thoughts are that they are nice lipsticks. They feel creamy on my lips. I do like the color Amazeballs. I likely won't use the other two lipsticks, so I essentially paid $50 for one lipstick because that's the only one I'm going to use, which is kind of a bummer. But I do think that this color is pretty, and I think having the three options kind of worked for me, just because if I would have chosen just one, I probably would have purchased Amazeballs, and that would have not been the color for me. So I would have ended up wasting $18 plus shipping to purchase one. So yeah, they are all out of stock right now anyway, but I would say maybe wait and see how the rest of this controversy plays out. I have no idea what's going to happen. You can obviously do your own research, believe what you want to believe, but depending on that, I would recommend them if you feel confident choosing a shade that would look good on your skin. Or just watch a bunch of people's videos with different skin tones, different undertones, and figure out somebody who has the same tone and undertone that you have, so that you can kind of judge which color would be best for you. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. I wanted to stay out of the controversy and out of the drama just because that's just not my style. I am not somebody who has the energy for that. But since I did pay $50 for these, I wanted to still share my thoughts because I did buy them so that I could review them for you guys. So I figured I may as well just continue to do that. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.